Have you ever wondered why you never see James Bond or Jason Bourne or Ethan Hunt's wallet? Well, it's probably because their wallets are old school, run-of-the-mill wallets. Now, if they had an Ekster wallet, they would be pulling them out whenever they ordered a shaken martini. Now listen closely, 007, Mr. Bourne and Mr. Hunt. This is your Ekster wallet. Not only is it packed with loads of features, but you're also going to be looking dashing while you save the world. Welcome back to Tech Force, where the world of wallets are about to be changed forever. Your EDC is about to look a whole lot better. The wallet looks like it's been packaged by Q-Branch. The word premium pops into my mind as I'm opening the box. The logos and branding make this unboxing a memorable experience. The unboxing and packaging have been thought out in great detail. Well done, Ekster. I'm impressed. The wallets come in a premium black matte packaging with a crisp glossy logo. The wallets themselves are either aluminium or carbon fiber and have a good weight to them. It feels as though you're holding an expensive piece of gear. A piece of gear ready for any mission, even the impossible ones. As you know, I've also got a really soft spot for carbon fiber. Now onto the features of this wallet. Pay attention, 007. At the bottom, we have a button that ejects multiple cards for your selection. Then, if you need to carry even more cards, you can use this expander plate that can hold up to 6 more cards. And looks like it could probably stop a bullet. But I haven't tested this because I didn't want to damage this beautiful brushed metallic finish. Here we have the tracker card that is powered by this little solar panel. What this card lets you do is find it using only your smartphone. It works a little bit like an AirTag, so if need be, you can place this tracker on your very own villain to keep an eye on their whereabouts. The cool thing about this tracker is that it can also find your phone. So, with the push of a button, the tracker sends a notification to your phone. This could also be used in the world of espionage to trigger a rescue. This wallet also comes with RFID protection, and as an international man of mystery, you don't want your sensitive information being stolen via NFC communication. The aluminium and carbon fiber protect your data. It's also made from space-grade aluminium, so if you need to pay for your Starbucks in outer space, you should be just fine. How does it operate as an EDC? What's an EDC, you say? Well, basically it's your everyday carry. The only thing it doesn't hold is change. So, if you want to make a change in the world, just give your change away to charity or leave it in the tip jar. That way, you'll be making real change or putting a smile on someone's face. Because of its size, it's great to carry around every day. It fits in pretty much every pocket. The minimalists out there will love its simplicity. Your wallet, Mr. Hunt, should you decide to buy it, comes with a discount. We actually all get this discount. Just click the link below and at checkout, use the offer code TechForce. The wallets themselves come with a 12-month warranty. This shows that Ekster has great confidence in their products. But I think the only reason you'll be contacting them is to buy even more products. There are hundreds and hundreds of customers with positive feedback which is displayed on their website and on Google. This could definitely fill you with some confidence in knowing that these are good products. And they are fit for any secret agent. Before we get to our conclusion, in order to save your current mission, hit the like button. And to save the world, hit the subscribe button as well. If you like the look of carbon fiber, make sure to check out our video on our Pitaka cell phone cases and charging stands. These products look like they were made for each other. In conclusion, at around £60, these card holders are a steal with a fantastic design. It feels like the perfect mix between bougie and professional. You could use these for a multitude of things. Clearly, they are good for keeping notes and bank cards safe. But me personally, I would find it quite cool to hand out business cards with the press of a button. Just a small tap and you feel just like Patrick Bateman. As for the tracker tag, it is currently £36, and this seems very reasonable considering Apple's AirTags are £35, yet they don't come with any kind of professional personalization or a solar panel. And a lot more people are using iOS devices, which means the location is more likely to ping. I would definitely buy both of these products and use them daily, or when I'm out on my next mission. I'm sure you're going to enjoy adding this wallet to your EDC. That's all for now. Good luck saving the world. Bye-bye. Right, for my next mission, do I take the aluminium, the carbon fiber, or the leather? It's a black tie event, which means leather. Ooh, license to thrill.